Welcome back. In this video, we will now try to apply this value we created inside our settings. We will try to add it to our newsletter. I will start here, the new here. So let me cut this one and let's say if section.settings.newsletter heading, because I'm trying to access this newsletter heading, all right, to display a dynamic text. So we're gonna say if it is true, then we want to display the section.settings.newsletter heading. Else we're gonna display the text as a placeholder. So we're going to do the same. I'm just gonna copy this one and we're going to replace this strong text, but let's first add the if statement and let's change the ID here. So it's going to be news body, and if it is true, then we want to display the newsletter body, and if it is not found, now we want to display this text over here and like this. So I'm going to save it. For the form, I'm not gonna do it now because it will take a lot of time. So this we're gonna learn about it at the very end of the video. So let's go back to the code and make sure that you running your server, and let's go to see the change we just made. So I'm going to refresh the page here, and also here I can refresh to see if the change took place or not. And if I go to newsletter, and it seems like yeah, because we have this placeholder, so this is a newsletter, and if I try to remove it, and you see that is also changing, and for the body news you see that it is empty. So let's replace this text with the current text that we have on this website, this official one. I'm going to copy this one and go here. I'm going to add news new here. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to again go back and copy this long text and add it to the body newsletter like this. And as you can see, it's coming with the sign up on the bold, so you can even remove it. Let's see, let me save it first. Yeah, you can now remove it, and as you can see, it changed. You can even bring it back. You can even give it a link if you wanted to. Let's say I want to make this what's not to love to be a link, so just like hover that and then select that and then click on the insert link, and you can add the link over here. All right, so this is done. So let's see what else we can do. We're going to add the background color. It's over here. I will just copy the ID and I will do it directly on the inline CSS. So let me remove the BG gray over here, and let's add a style here, and we're gonna say background color, but let me check which type I used. We used the color background. All right, you know what I'm going to do? Let's delete this one. We have the ID newsletter here, so I'm going to use this ID newsletter, or if you don't have it, add the ID newsletters. So I'm going to use the CSS tag like this, and I'm going to say newsletters, and here I'm going to say background image, okay, and we're going to access the section.settings.background color newsletter, and I'm going to save it. Now let's see how it's going to work. So we have this background color, so now it is set to white. I can remove it, and we have options to choose also a gradient if you want to, and we can choose, let's say, this color here, and as you can see, it's like changing. All right, so let's revert this to white for now. So to do that, you just have to come and to remove the gradient, and it's going to revert to no color chosen. So we can leave it like this for now and just save it. All right, so I think for this newsletter it's enough. I can stop right here. If you want to add like more settings, you can add the height input settings. You're going to use the range for doing that, so that you can be adding the height number to increase or decrease the height of this section. I'm not going to do it now because it's taking a lot of time. So I'm going to stop right here, and on the next video we will talk about the footer and move along from there. Thank you and bye.